What's up, guys? I look funny. I look like Bob Marley. Right now it's my turn, so safety first. Safety first.
Let's get to it. Alright, so today we are in our backyard, and what are we gonna do?
We're shooting airsoft guns.
Airsoft guns! Yeah. Old airsoft guns in our backyard.
I look like Bob Marley.
Yeah. And I look cool. Yep. Is that your gun?
This is my gun, and it's kind of broken, but it will do.
And I got this. What is it? Stinger P9T airsoft gun. And this is her gun. Just kidding. It's mine.
It's mine.
It's my gun. Shotgun airsoft gun. Okay, so we got a target, and we're gonna shoot it and see who's most accurate. To it.
Let's get it on.
Okay.
Record. So there's Jen shooting.
Yep. Let's see how accurate I am.
He's not accurate.
Okay.
Okay. Shoot. Let's get it on. Oh, this is high death, huh? Death. Oh, I see it. I see it. Whoa.
Oh, okay, I'm done. I suck.
My turn.
Suri's turn.
You want me to pause? Right now it's my turn, so safety first.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna shoot
My fancy gun.
this pistol. Stranger pistol.
It's a stinger, doesn't it? Not stranger.
Wait. Oh. No, it says Stinger pen. Oh. I'm gonna hit that middle of the card. Oh, it's on safety.
Turns out. Hey guys, so it turns out that Suri forgot to put in the magazine. So while she's doing that, yeah. Okay, I think she has it. Wait, no, it doesn't have ammo. We'll get back to you right after this commercial.
Since the commercial break is over, I'm filling out this gun.
Okay, so you filled up that gun, right?
So now that I got it loaded, let's shoot it. But remember, safety first. Make sure to take safety off. Ooh, this one's gonna make it. Told you. Whoa!
Shoot it. You hit it? Let's see it. Nice!
Hold on. So, Poppy, Mommy, get this message, please. Sahari is out here next to Jaren, trying to shoot a gun. She has no goggles. Please get this message. Go.
So, I reloaded it. Put it in the magazine. Put the magazine in the gun. Now it's my turn to show my skills.
Oh, you're going army.
Safety's on. Safety's off.
Okay, go. Did you hit it?
Yep.
Okay, so Jaren's reloading his gun.
Now I'm shooting.
Whoa, did not even make it.
What do you mean?
Jaren.
Boom. Bullseye, baby. More than Suri.
Yeah. Oh, the shotgun. Jen, how do you feel about those 2 missed shots. I mean, 5 missed shots.
I'm still better than you.
No, because I got like 5 in a row. Bullseyeing.
Hey guys, so we just finished shooting and
Now let's check out our accuracy.
yeah.
Woo! So, hey, we got in a lot. I feel like most of them are mine.
Not even. You all know I was more accurate than Suri. Let us know in the comments below who was more accurate and who won the competition.
And please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell.
Bill.
Bill.